Welcome back and thank you for staying with us here on Republic. The 46th Battalion of the Assam Rifles initiated a 6-week guidance capsule for military nursing service candidates as a part of the social welfare drive. Now, this 6-week capsule is taking place with an aim of women empowerment, particularly in the state of Mizoram. This is my colleague Shivani getting you this special exclusive report.
Like most military formations in India, the Assam Rifles too has a multi-operational role in the northeastern part of the country. Assam Rifles routinely conducts counter-insurgency, anti-smuggling and border guarding operations.
We are in Mizoram, which shares its 84% border with Bangladesh and Myanmar. And here at the 23 Sector Assam Rifles, we are witnessing the complex drills and training which these troops from the Assam Rifles undergo, and then they protect the borders and they also are dealing with insurgents.
With the recent coup in Myanmar, the influx of refugees in Mizoram, around 300 people from Myanmar have crossed the border and taken refuge in Mizoram.
SSBO training node, which stands for Special Heliborne Operations, and to be specific, what you're seeing in front is the slithering static platform. So the aim of this platform is to train the troops of Assam Rifles for conventional operations. So these kind of operations are mainly carried out under two circumstances. That is, number one, when the troops have to be deployed in any objective or target area in the minimum time frame, and number two, in case if the place is devoid of any landing zones in the vicinity of target area, then using slithering, the troops are deployed in the particular place.
So the terrain is major challenge, and here we see that this slithering training node has been developed by the troops of Assam Rifles, and this is a low-cost slithering training node. This has been created in just a budget of 10,000 rupees, and usually it takes lakhs of rupees to create such a platform. So Assam Rifles is not only guarding the borders, but it is actually creating these kind of facilities on their own, and this is also an example of Atmanirbharta, self-reliance. That's the key campaign of the Defence Forces.
Assam Rifles has also been conducting anti-smuggling operations in Mizoram, a state that has been marred by drug abuse.
So there is a lot of drug trade which takes place from through Mizoram and into hinterland of the India. Assam Rifle, we keep catching them in quite a big, huge amounts. You keep seeing them on the tweets and other media. As the society per se, and even the NGO, they are averse for the youth to getting into this drug addiction. So what we started that in the month of December, we started a 1-month campaign in entire Mizoram. I have in 3-4 different places, all big cities, we started this campaign. It was very well received.
The Assam Rifles has been tasked primarily with the border guarding role to dominate the India-Myanmar border and prevent any inimical elements from infiltrating. Civic action plays an important role to enmesh the Assam Rifles into the regional fabric. Assam Rifles is also organizing the military nursing service pre-guidance class, which was uniquely undertaken in this region. Assam Rifles has initiated a 6-week pre-guidance capsule for the potential candidates for the military medical training class.
These girls are very, very intelligent, and we could see that in the entrance examination which we conducted. And I can tell you, being a science student myself, I could not answer most of the questions then, but these girls were very, very accurate in their answering techniques.
I want to try everything that comes in my way, and the Assam Rifle gives me the opportunity. There's no who motivate me. I want to grab the opportunity, that's all.
India salutes the grit and valor of the Assam Rifles as they continue to fiercely guard India's borders.